love, because of your humility, I have to say that thank you. I learned many things from you. As in the beginning, I insist our youth, ना हम लोग youth को मैंने insist किया था, bloom where you are planted, ना bloom where you are planted. Saint Francis de Sales, bloom where you are planted, and I have witnessed, and I'm very proud. They can do everything. They listen to that little sentence, bloom where you are planted. उन लोग अभी गांव पे अच्छा से किया है, गा रहा है, और I have seen a bright future in them. So thank you so much, dear youth, especially Saint Alphonsus Church youth. You made this day a beautiful day, a memorable day, and also not forgotten. All my प्यारे अन्य आप लोग को बहुत याद करते हैं. I will not forget. If I find someone, no, दूसरा लोगों को थोड़ा harshly meet in the future, I will always remember your kindness, your love, and your humbleness, your humility. I will always remember. During this 1 year, ये 1 year में experience बहुत मिला है, मौका बहुत मिलता है, no? Father Jose ने भी हमको मौका बहुत दिया है, no? अन्य आप लोगों को interaction और interact करने के लिए fellowship में भी, church में भी, और सबसे पहले I celebrated Holy Mass here most of the time. So thank you so much, dear Father, and my dear Anne Apollo. And today we are celebrating Mother's Day. I want to tell you one thing. Remember, dear mothers, and mother, you are a mother of love. You are a mother of kindness. You are a mother of prayer. Please remember us, especially to Father Jose and to Father Linus. Please remember us in your prayer, because we will be facing many things. हम लोग बहुत तकलीफ रास्ता or any society we will be facing so many things. So to go ahead smoothly, to go ahead more beautifully our life, we need your prayer, because Mother, you are our love. You are the author of love. Remember, your heart is great. So remember us in your prayer, and we will assure our prayer too. And all the church leaders, thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful event you have held here in our church. Actually, हम लोग नहीं सोच रहे ना, फादर हम दोनों ऐसा बड़ा होगा ऐसा. कल देखा था कि हम लोग का यूथ सेक्रेटरी, जीरो के यूथ सेक्रेटरी, अन्ना लोग और कुछ हम लोग इधर गैदर करके कुछ बना रहा था. हम तो नहीं सोच रहा था ऐसा ना. It will come out this much, but really today you have done it very beautifully, and you made us proud. That is your value. That is your value of goodness, not something like goodness. So once again, dear youth, Ane Apollo Paya Rabajo, thank you so much, and remember us in your prayer. Thank you so much.